My name is Brandon Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about expungement of a criminal offense. Now, the things that an expungement does. What it does after it's finished is it will take down your record from public view. Things that it will not do. It will not lower your criminal history score if you're charged with a new crime. It will not hide your record from law enforcement. It's only to take down your record or get rid of your record in the civil context. Now, when a person wants to get an expungement, what they're going to do is they're going to draft a petition for expungement. They're going to have to pull their old criminal file. It's going to have specific things that they need to take out of their file and put into that petition. That petition has to be verified, or in other words, it has to be signed and sworn in front of a notary that everything in that petition is accurate. Once the person has completed the petition, you're going to send it to the district attorney's office or the city prosecutor's office if you're trying to get the expungement in a municipal court. That agency will have an amount of time to essentially review the petition and say whether they want to sign off on it. Say basically if they want to agree that you should get the petition granted. If the petition is signed off on, if it's approved by the municipal court prosecutor or the district attorney's office, then generally a judge is going to look on that favorably when he considers whether you're going to be able to get this expungement granted. If the district attorney's office or the city prosecutor's office does not want you to have the expungement, then your case stops right there. You'll get notice from that prosecutor's office, and then you'll have to request a hearing on the matter, in which you go in front of the judge, and it'll be your burden to prove that you should get your expungement granted. Now, expungement isn't for everyone. It's going to be based on the charge in which you were convicted of. Certain charges cannot be expunged, but the vast majority can. You'll fall into one of four groups. The first is unexpungable crimes. The second, which is a very narrow group, it's second and third time DUIs. Those are going to be a 10-year waiting period. 10 years after the time that your case is concluded, can you file for expungement. The third group is for more serious crimes, most felonies, things of that nature. They're going to be a 5-year waiting period, the most serious felonies. The fourth group is going to be people who have to wait 3 years. Those are for almost all misdemeanors and the lower level felony charges. Remember that that time frame begins to run after your case is concluded. If you are trying to get an expungement and you need help, you need to sit down with an experienced criminal defense lawyer, someone that has experience in that court in which you're trying to get your crime expunged. Feel free to contact my office at 913-451-9500.